Same story. Like micrometer off. Nope. Let's turn it again. Something like this. And the same story, micrometer. I had to get it. The other one was stuck on there pretty good, so I suspect they're not super correct with their alignment pinholes. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put in a bolt, and that's catching barely, so that's not an option. I'm gonna wear out threads like this, so I'm gonna try to push it in with a little tap. Up, little tap over there. Little tap over there. And it goes in. But the upper one isn't going up. So I'm gonna secure it here with a bolt. This is a real live action. Look, threads in quite a bit. So put this camera perhaps for better view. Thread in one here. Threads in nicely. And one over there. So that's why this should be really tight, especially when you tap it in. Shouldn't move. Well, I couldn't move it anymore with my fingers, so it should be good. I'm gonna check it twice. It will be the same story, so yeah. I'm gonna find the brass hammer and tap it in slightly. Because I don't think the bolts will go in over there. Gotta try it, of course. Oh no, just barely catching. So these ones are tight. Can I put one more in, perhaps? Yep. Okay. Just tighten it a bit by hand. Now we're gonna try to tap this one in. And I think it's going. It shouldn't be bent, of course. There it goes in, just like that. Up. Of course, if your clutch plate is off, your friction plate, your transmission will not go in easily. It won't go in, so it's also a way to find out if it's still centered. Centered. Yeah. So there we are. And now we can do it. Hopla. That's one a bit. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, and restart. 7. 1, of course. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we start again. 1, and you see it's becoming loose. 2, 3, 4,